Hello dear students. In previous lecture we have studied theories based on free damped vibration. In last lecture we have studied theory based on logarithmic decrement. Before that we have studied the damping factor. Okay, after that damping factor, the value depends upon the value of damping factor. We have studied under damped system, over damped system and critical damped system. So today we are going to solve numericals based on free damped vibration. So today we will solve one example based on that. Okay, so here it is, example number 1. A horizontal spring mass system with Coulomb damping has a mass of 10 kg attached to a spring of stiffness 2250 Newton per meter. If the coefficient of friction is 0.025, calculate the frequency of free oscillation, number of cycles corresponding to 50% reduction in amplitude if the initial amplitude is 50 mm and time taken to achieve this reduction. फर्स्ट जो एग्जांपल है डिटेल्स दी गई उसमें आपको फर्स्ट हमको डिफाइन करना है फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ फ्री ऑसिलेशंस. सबसे पहले हमको फ्रीक्वेंसी डिफाइन करना है. देन देयर इज अ केस नंबर 2 जहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा गया है कि नंबर ऑफ साइकिल करस्पॉन्डिंग टू 50% ओके रिडक्शन इन एम्पलीट्यूड इफ द इनिशियल एम्पलीट्यूड इज 50 mm. ओके, तब हमको नंबर ऑफ साइकिल फाइंड कर रिडक्शन इन एम्पलीट्यूड होता है तब नंबर ऑफ साइकिल्स फाइंड करनी है और टाइम टेकन टू अचीव दिस रिडक्शन. तो ये तीन चीज़ें हमको डिफाइन करनी है. ओके, फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द डेटा सॉल्यूशन में राइट डाउन द डेटा गिवन टू यू. ओके, नाउ एज पर द थियरी इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स वी ऑल नो दैट द इक्वेशन ऑफ नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ वाइब्रेशन इज ओमेगा एन इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट के बाय एम. So we have the value of K stiffness here and M mass also is given to us. So we can easily define the value of natural frequency omega n is equal to 15 radian per second. So here is our first value omega n. But in example it is written that the frequency of free oscillation. So we have to find frequency Fn is equal to omega n divided by 2 pi. This is a relationship between cycle frequency and natural frequency. You can say that omega n is equal to 2 pi f. So f is equal to omega n divided by 2 pi. So it is in 2.38 hertz. Now we are moving to case number 2. Okay, so in case number 2 it is written that the frequency of free oscillation, number of cycles corresponding to 50% reduction in amplitude if the initial amplitude is 50 mm. So we can write that x0 is equal to 50 mm. Okay, now all we know that f, this is the force. Okay, so F is equal to mu mg. So mu is the coefficient of friction given to you, m is the mass and g is the gravitational acceleration. So it is 2.45 Newton. This is the force F acting on this vibrating system. So next we have to define the logarithmic decay. So decay is equal to delta is equal to 4f divided by k. So we have the value of f and k also. So decay is defined here. Okay, now to determine the number of cycles, now there is one equation that we have to remember whenever this is example is asked based on the number of cycles and these things. Okay, so it is xn is equal to x0 minus n delta, where xn is the amplitude of n number of cycle, x0 is the initial amplitude, n is the number of cycles and delta is the decay that we have defined here. You have find the value of decay here. So by putting this equation we are getting n is equal to number of cycles कितनी मिलेगी हमको 6 cycles. Okay, here it is the relation, it is xn is equal to 0.5 x0. Okay, so it is n is equal to 6 cycles. Okay, so now time taken for 50% reduction के लिए कितना टाइम लगा है. So equation is time period t is equal to 2 pi by omega n. Okay, this is the time period equation, time taken of 2 pi upon omega n, but there is a n number of cycles 6. So it is 6 into 2 pi divided by omega n. So it is 2.51 second. So the 2.51 second के अंदर वो इतना 50% रिडक्शन कर पाएगा. Okay, so this is the simplest example based on this free damped vibration, based on the number of cycles we have to define. So step by step we can see that first we have to define frequency, then force in Newton, then we have defined this decay using this delta into this equation xn is equal to x0 minus n delta. We are defining the number of cycles, 6 cycles, and then we have find the time period by using n into 2 pi by omega n. Generalized equation is 2 pi divided by omega n, but here it is number of cycles 6, so 6 into 2 pi divided by omega n. So we are getting number of cycle is 2.5 seconds. 6 cycles अचीव करने के लिए उसको टाइम कितना लगेगा? 2.513 second. If you have any doubt in this example, please write the doubts in the comment box. Please like and share the video. Thank you so much for attending today's video. Thank you all students.